Hi, this is Casey from KC Grandpa Tech. We talk about everything tech and fun stuff and much, much more. Hey, listen, I don't know about you, but I've been working from home, and it seems that my desk space has come to become an extreme minimum. I don't have enough room, and I have my toys that I keep on there, my collectibles and stuff like that. So I was looking for a way to fix that problem. So someone told me, said, why don't you put a shelf on top of your monitor? So I looked it up, found one, and this is the one I found. I'm going to unbox it, take a look at it, and give you my thoughts. So let's get to that. So it looks simple to use. I mean, how this is not rocket scientist. Now, what I was looking for, and if you probably see it here, I have a little collection of Star Trek character figures, and the more stuff I've been doing on my desk, the more space that they take up. And I needed something that would fill the gap. So let's take a quick look at this one. And yep, I'll be able to put my stuff up there. Very simple design. Lip here is kind of tiny. It's got two points which you adjust, and it goes up on your shelf. So I'm going to check that out and see how it fits. Be right back with you. So I put it on top of my monitors, and I put my Star Trek collection up there. Let me show you a little bit of my Star Trek collection, and I'll show you what it looked like. So anyway, that's a quick solution if you're having a space problem in your, in your desk. You can start put a shelf on top of your monitors. What do you think? I mean, there's all kinds of different ways to try to create space. And today, I'll tell you, working from home, I need all the space I can get. So listen, thanks again. This is Casey from KC Grandpa Tech out. Please don't forget, please like and share and subscribe to the channel. I try to bring you all kinds of tips and ideas and ways to solve problems. So talk to you later now. Bye-bye.